If you want to integrate a Figma design into Squarespace, this tutorial will walk you through the full process in a simple, beginner-friendly way. This is a great method if you want to showcase a prototype, present a design mockup, or add an interactive preview directly inside your website. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get the Figma embed code, place it into Squarespace, and resize it so it looks clean and professional on your page. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's start inside Figma. Open your project file in Figma and make sure the design or prototype you want to share is ready to go. Once you're in the correct file, look to the top right corner of the toolbar and click the blue share button. This is where Figma lets you control sharing and embedding options for your design. After you click share, a sharing preferences window will appear. In that window, look for the option that says Get Embed Code. Click that option and Figma will generate an HTML embed snippet for you. This is the code that allows your design to appear inside another website, including Squarespace. Now copy the full embed code. It usually looks like a long HTML iframe string, something similar to this. An iframe with a Figma source link inside it. Make sure you copy the entire code exactly as Figma provides it, because even a small missing piece can stop it from working properly. Next, switch over to your Squarespace site builder. Open the page where you want the Figma design to appear, then click Edit so you can make changes to that page. Once the editor opens, choose Add Block and then select Embed. In some Squarespace layouts or versions, you may see Code Block instead, and that works too depending on your setup. When the block opens, go into the block settings. From there, choose Code Snippet or Embed Data, depending on what Squarespace shows on your screen. This is the area where you'll paste the Figma embed code you copied a moment ago. Paste the full iframe code into the box, then apply or save the block so Squarespace can load the design. After the embed has been added, you'll probably want to adjust how it looks on the page. Click the block and drag the corner nodes to change the width and height. This is an important step because it lets you fit the interactive frame neatly inside your section without awkward spacing or clipping. Take a moment to resize it until it sits beautifully inside your layout and feels balanced with the rest of your content. If the design feels too tall, too narrow, or too wide, just keep adjusting until it matches the style of your page. You want the Figma embed to feel like a natural part of the website, not something that was just dropped in at random. A well-sized embed can make your page look much more polished and professional. And that's it. You've now learned how to integrate a Figma design in Squarespace using an embed code. You opened the file in Figma, copied the embed code, added it to Squarespace, and resized the block to fit your design perfectly. It's a simple workflow, but it can make a huge difference when you want to show off a product design, wireframe, or prototype inside your site. If this video helped you don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on design, websites, and no-code tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.